Hey everyone, what's up? Devon here. So I'm on a coaching call with Miss Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and so tell me your good news. Tell me what's going on.
Oh God, I got a sale.
You got a sale? You got a sale?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got 5 sales. So we're actually logged into her ClickBank account right now. Hopefully you can see this. I don't know if you can see it. My phone is so horrible. It says this week $481.74. $481.74. If you guys can see that. Are you an expert on the computer, Anne-Marie?
Huh?
Are you an expert on the computer?
No, I'm not really an expert.
Not an expert.
I'm trying, but you know, but I'm so excited I can't hear. So excited.
Excellent.
It's been years. I've been trying to make money.
Been years that you've been trying to make money, and
Yes.
so look
and
at that.
I've been taking course after course after course. Well, when I saw this today, I nearly flip out.
When you saw it, thank you. Awesome. I'm so happy for you. She made.
That's my Valentine's Day fun. All right.
That's your Valentine's. It's perfect. Because today is Valentine's Day. That is perfect. She made $481 in commissions just this week so far, and they're affiliate commissions, which means that did you have to create the product yourself?
No.
Did you have to do any customer support for when somebody purchased the product?
No, it's just that you remember how you tell me go to ClickBank and take out a product and promote it.
Right, just go to
broadcast. But that's what I did.
Right.
I did broadcast, and that's for what I get. I've been getting them small, and then after this week I got a big one.
You got a big one.
I'm like, Lord, it's working, so now I'm going back again.
So she said she went to ClickBank. She found a product that she thought looks good she's been building her email list that she thought might like. She sent a broadcast to her email list. She sent a few, and it's just a numbers game. And somebody bought, and she made $481.74 just this week. Somebody bought something that was like $400. It stuck $400 in commissions in her pocket. She's been trying for years, as you've heard her say. If you don't have to answer this, Anne-Marie, I'm totally putting you on the spot. Do you mind telling everybody how old you are? Is that okay? I hate asking, but I just want to prove
I'm
that.
66.
You're 66?
Yes, and I'm doing this because of the fact that I had 2 blood clots in my lungs. So this is a third life I'm living, and I need extra income.
Excellent.
To retire.
So you had 2 blood clots in your lung, you're 66 years old, and you're doing this because you need the extra income, and you've been trying for years, and this is your first, is this ever first making several $100s in a single?
First time.
Yeah.
First time.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
And on Valentine's Day too. That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna get back to our coaching. We were doing a coaching call, and she just freaked out and had to show me, so I pulled out my camera. We're gonna go do our coaching call. I'm gonna stop recording now. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you all heard all of that and saw her ClickBank account again. You guys can see that right here. Where is it, please? I hope it's in the screen. $481.74. 66 years old. Not a computer expert. So what is your excuse? All right, I gotta go. I gotta finish my coaching call. Bye-bye.